Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to save contacts to Google account on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that saving your contact to Google is allow you to easier management and backup and also access across multiple devices and services, and it also ensures that your contacts are not lost if your phone is damaged or lost, and they are also readily available to other Google apps and services. And how to save your contact number to Google account is very easy. So yeah, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first now you can go to contacts menu on your cell phone like this, and then now you can add new contact like this and make sure to save contact to Google account. And then after that you can enter the name. I will put it randomly, and also the number. I will put the number randomly, and then so yeah, make sure again to save to the Google and then click save. And so yeah, this contact will be saved to Google account. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.